Hello everyone, this is Breiter-Wu from Breiter Planet Properties. I wanted to help anyone that's interested in leasing their land or roof space to be able to understand how to best submit it to our website. If you go to www.breiterplanet.com, you'll get to our homepage, which here you can see is where we give you as much information as possible, just a brief overview of each option and of course, there's many questions people have. You go through each option, say you wanted to lease your land. We'll explain how to do it. We'll explain what a land lease looks like. But for you to really understand what your options are, if your property is qualified, if your land is big enough for it to even work, you definitely need to engage us. So there's a few ways depending on how you want to communicate with us. You could simply plug in your email and request that you get in touch with us to be able to chat. You can go to the right hand side and start chatting with, usually it goes to me, but if not, you'll chat with Sunny Brighter until I am free to chat further. And then finally, if you go qualify my property for solar, this will take you to a form that gives us a brief overview of where we're talking about. Fill in as much as you feel comfortable, and this really helps us to figure out the best person to speak to. Most of the time, it's speaking directly with me, Andrew Breiter-Wu, but sometimes we have a local partner there that will help us as well. But in most case scenarios, I like to be the one speaking to every one of our clients, and it's at the stage we're at. We're growing quickly. We're really having a solid pipeline of growth and projects, but I always do my best to prioritize speaking with clients one on one to guide you through the process. And I've built a team around me that allows me to be able to do that. And let's close out the chat and just scroll through our website, get a feel for who we are and what we're about. And that's how you submit a property to Breiter Planet Properties. If you do have questions or you want to just kind of read through some of our content and maybe familiarize yourself with more information on solar, leasing your land, etc., if you go to blog.breiterplanet.com or just click the blog in the right hand corner, you'll be able to read more about Breiter Planet Properties, read more about energy updates in the industry, some original content that you may see from us specifically. Both myself, Paul, and the rest of our team are constantly writing content for you so that you're more educated on solar and so that you feel comfortable to lease your land with us. So that's the reason why we focus so heavily on education. That's how you submit your property to Breiter Planet Properties. And again, we have so much appreciation for everyone that comes to our site and that engages us to go solar, lease their land, etc. So thank you again and have a great rest of your day. I look forward to hearing from anyone that watches this video. I know you're out there and I know we can bring some value to you. Cheers.